Hello my angels, my dears. This is Angel and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching another video. This video is another reimagining of my mom's dishes for Christmas. Everyone loves mashed potatoes, but everyone makes it slightly different. Well, for me, I'll be reimagining how my mom made mashed potatoes. Okay, I'll talk to you later and enjoy the video.
Something's tugging at my sleeve. I do believe it's Christmas. It's cold outside, but I'm warm within, 'cause Christmas time is here.
My mom would make her mashed potatoes by boiling white potatoes until they were done, mashing it with a potato masher, which is hard to find nowadays. She would add margarine because we never use butter, and then she would add evaporated carnation milk and then add water to it because, once again, it was evaporated milk. She would season it with table salt and with black pepper, and that was it. It was a tasty mashed potato, simply made. Alright, now let's get back to the video.
Time to have the whole family here for a few days of love and grace. But when Christmas has gone, it'll be another year. When Christmas has gone, it actually was on a Christmas day you came my way. That once upon a long ago, the Bethlehem star must have shown the way that led you to me. Now from our love and a little help from above, we've raised our little clan like it's part of a master plan. Still, when Christmas has gone, it'll be another year. When Christmas has gone, when Christmas has gone. When Christmas has gone. Oh, what a jolly time to have the whole family here for a few days of love and grace. But when Christmas has gone, it'll be another year. Another year. Oh, when Christmas has gone, it'll be another. Merry Christmas.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love and with joy and laughter.
Hey, are you still there, still hanging with me? Thank you for hanging around this long. If you're enjoying the video so far, please stay to the very end. And if you like what you have seen, please give me a like. That's a thumbs up. Make sure that you comment down below and share this video if you know of anyone who can use it. Alright, now let's get back to the video.
Lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on. From this Christmas And somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, from this Christmas.
How did I reimagine my mom's mashed potatoes? Well, I used golden potatoes instead of white potatoes. I used milk, whole milk, and heavy cream instead of evaporated milk and water. I used white pepper instead of the black pepper. And I used whole unsalted butter instead of margarine. Well, if you like what you saw today, please give me a thumbs up, a like. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and if you are returning, please remember to hit your notification bell to make sure it's turned on so you'll be notified when I have any new videos. And I'd like to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And as always, in parting, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. Until next time.